Hi, my name is Caleb Kahn, and today we're going to be talking about planning for success with our incentive program for our call center employees. Our goal as a company is that we want to stand out from our peers. We want to do that by having an amazing customer experience. So when they have to deal with us, it's a pleasure for them. And we want our employees to feel engaged and satisfied in the workplace. Nothing is worse than being frustrated when you're trying to deal with a company, and we want to avoid that frustration on both sides of the phone. So one of the ways that we can do this is through incentives. That can help to keep our employees motivated as we work towards our goals. Currently, our company's incentive plan rewards employees for ideas, whether or not the company uses them, which is a good idea in principle, but is not generating the kind of success and results that we are looking for. Ideas are not coming in. So I think the reason for this is because abstract expectations lead to disengaged workers. Ideas are great, but it's nothing concrete that they can really work towards. We need to give them an idea that they can reach for, and we need to focus in on those specific goals. So one of the ways that we can do this is, as management, we can identify specific goals based on the data that we're receiving, the metrics that we have, the things that we're tracking of where we need to improve with our customers. We can help our employees identify those issues, and then if we set goals based on that data as a team, then that gives employees something that they can work for and be motivated to do. So specific incentives can help us to motivate and engage our employees. They even offer a friendly, competitive environment as employees try to work with and in competition with each other. They increase job satisfaction because it allows people to feel like they've made progress and they're growing towards something in their career. And it definitely can promote team synergy. If people are feeling like they're working together towards a common goal, it helps you to feel more unified as a team. So specific goals can help us to reach our goals in our company of giving that good customer experience while also helping our employees to have high job satisfaction and engagement at work. As we do this together as management and employees, we can be unified in these goals and be able to achieve the results that we're looking for. And we really can create that happy, satisfying workplace that we're hoping for our employees. Thank you very much.